Hi, today we're going to take down unboxing and review it and a build of MAKE-iT SOLDiER with Tank 26-piece kit. It's compatible with Legos and stuff. It's a CK brand toy, so $1 at the dollar store. Looks pretty nice. There is a little QR code there for free video instructions, but I don't know why you don't really need video instructions, because you should get paper instructions. So if you don't have a QR code scanner, don't you be worrying. They do give you actual instructions, and the instructions are actually pretty good. Tells you a full part list of all the parts you get and how many of that said part you get and how to build it. So it's 26 steps. Everything should be in the little baggie right here. Let's open it up, let it out, and get to the build. So this is everything that you get for the 26 parts. So yeah, so our first step is making the car's body. So body plate, which is a 4 stud by 2 stud, so 4 by 2. Then you're going to need a 2 by 4 stud with the wheels, so 2 and 2, so like that. And you're going to be needing 2 of those, so both of those. And I probably shouldn't have done that, but oh well. And then you're going to be needing this long 2 by 3 stud, which I shouldn't say long, I mean small. So how you put it together? Oh no, I'm sorry, you don't need this one. You just need this one, the little 2-studded one. My bad. So you just take one of these, line it up with the bat, make sure that's even flush. You take this and then you kind of put it there, on there like that, so you have a little bit of overhang. And then to make it nice and even flush, you just take one of these and then you just pop it on there like that. Step 2, we just be needing this part.